Here at Vapx, our goal is to thrive to be the best and to bring value to your vaping experience. Juice leaks, short coil lifespans, poor battery life, no longer your problem. Introducing the Geyser. Boasting a sleek design with innovative functions, this product is going to blow you away. The Geyser comes with a reusable pod system, including a 10mm and a 15mm pod, giving you the power and control to vape the way you desire. Made with the lightest yet strongest metal on Earth, the aerospace-grade magnesium alloy reduces the weight of the body frame by 400%, making it compact and easy to take with you on your next adventure. Featuring dual airflow control, your palate can enjoy experiences ranging from a soft and lingering flavor to a more robust, intense burst of flavor. Our X coils are designed to ensure you have maximum access to the broad range of unique flavors to satisfy your taste buds, which are superior to sub-ohm tanks. Never waste a moment getting your next vape ready with this smart dual pop-up interface for top refill action and fast pod switching. With the airflow optimized in both coil and pod, this enhanced system guarantees there is no compromise in flavor, coil lifespan, juice leak, or airflow. Here at Vapx, we care about your vaping experience. Designed with you in mind, Geyser takes your vaping experience to the next level. Geyser, never settle.